Hello students, today we are going to start past tense, and in this we will discuss about simple past tense or past indefinite tense. In the previous video we have discussed about simple present tense, or we can say present indefinite tense. So in simple past tense we have structure subject plus second form of verb plus object. Subject plus second form of verb plus object. The main thing is remember to second form of verb. Second form of verb. So, to show some action in past where we use second form, where we use simple past tense to show some action in past with the words like yesterday, last, ago, never, etc. For example, the sun the sun shone brightly yesterday. Yesterday is the symbol of past and shone is second form of shine. She never told a lie. Never is the symbol of past and told as the second form of past. Clear? Second form of tell. If last is used after since or for, use has, have, been, verb, first form and ing. For example, I have been teaching here for last 2 years. It means when last is given with since or for, it means you will use has, have, been, first form ing, present perfect continuous tense. If last is used without since or for, then you will use second form. Then you will use simple past tense. Second point, to show habit in past. It means some person, any person who is doing something regularly in past. For example, Raja Harishchandra always spoke the truth. Raja Harishchandra was a real figure in past. Actually, he was present in past. Clear? राजा हरिश्चंद्र पास्ट में हुए हैं, इसलिए उनके साथ ऑलवेज लगाया तो भी हमने स्पोक यूज किया, बिकॉज ऑलवेज इज सिंबल ऑफ प्रेजेंट. But because Raja Harishchandra was in past, so we use spoke, second form, to show that it was habit of a person who was living in past. Third point, to show an action in which since is used as an adverb if subject comes after since. इट मीन्स सिंस पहले आया है, सब्जेक्ट बाद में आया है, और सिंस टाइम का सिंबल ना होकर क्या शो करता है? इट शोज एडवर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज एन आवर सिंस द ट्रेन लेफ्ट. इट इज एन आवर सिंस द ट्रेन लेफ्ट. वेदर इट इज शोइंग टाइम, बट इसकी पहचान क्या होगी? द ट्रेन जो सब्जेक्ट है वो आपका बाद में आया है, सिंस पहले आया है. यहाँ पे हमने एक और सिंस का एग्जाम्पल पढ़ा था. हेयर, आई हैव बिन टीचिंग हेयर फॉर लास्ट 2 years या सिंस 2002. तो इसमें क्या था कि आई जो सब्जेक्ट है वो पहले आया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो सब्जेक्ट है वो बाद में आया है. जब सिंस के बाद सब्जेक्ट आएगा तो हम क्या करेंगे? लेफ्ट सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज करेंगे. क्लियर? So, next point. He is staying with us. He is staying with us since he came. He is staying with us. जब से वो हमारे साथ ही रह रहा है, जब से वो आया. इसमें भी we see that since comes first, after it subject comes. Clear? When my father was alive, I went temple every day. Because father was living in past, so second form is used. Next point. If after it is time comes a subject, it means it is time आया फिर subject आया. Like he, we, Ram, then use second form of verb. For example, it is time we started our lesson. It is time we started our lesson. It is time they closed their shop. It means it is time आया है, उसके बाद subject आया है. So we will use second form of verb. Clear? It. If to comes after it is time, then we will use first form of verb. It is time to make a mistake. It is time to start the journey. It is time to close the shop. It is time to start our lesson. Clear? Next point. In conditional sentences, second form is used with would. 3 तरह के conditional sentences होते हैं. If you worked hard, you would pass. हम इसको प्रेजेंट में भी लिख सकते हैं. If you work hard, you will pass. When you write it in past, if you worked hard, you would pass. और past of past में भी लिख सकते हैं. If you had worked hard, you would have passed. Clear? Here I have given only one example of past tense because we are doing past tense. When we will use future perfect tense, then I'll give the same example but in future tense. When we have read about present simple present tense, then we have also taken this type of example, conditional sentences, when we have used here first form and will plus first form. Now we have used second form past, means with would plus first form. Clear? If, when, unless can be used. यहाँ पे if की जगह पे if, when, unless can be used. Next point. Use second form of verb with I wish, if only, as if, as though. If there is a wish which cannot be completed, it means you are a human being. If you say, I wish I were a bird, you never be a bird because you are a human being. If you want to become a bird, then you have to die and you have to take another birth. So it can't be possible this type of sentences, in this type of sentences you will use second form. I wish I were a crorepati. She behaved as if she were a queen. She behaved as if I were. Were is also past. If only I knew her. If only I knew her. Knew, second form. In these kind of sentences, we use were. There is a simple subject, single subject or plural. Whether there is singular subject or plural subject, we will use only were. Second form is used with. Would rather. Would rather means would prefer. Would rather means would prefer. I would rather. I would rather you went office now. It means I would prefer you went office now. I would rather you came next Monday. It means I would prefer you came next Monday. So next point, when you have two actions in past, action, action with action, every action there is reaction. So if the action is in past, so reaction will also in past. For example, when he saw his brother, he stopped the bike. When he saw, second form. When he saw his brother, he stopped, second form. When he saw the lion, he ran away. Saw, second form. Ran, second form. Both the actions are in past. When one action was going on and the second action happened suddenly. When we were taking our dinner, it means the action was going on. When the light went out, खाना खा रहे थे, अचानक से लाइट चली जाती है. Next, same natured sentences happened at same time in past. Use same verb of past. It means if you are using second form, then in both actions you will use second form. If you are using was were, then you will use both in the both sentences was were first form ing. For example, Sita danced while Geeta sang. Sita danced while Geeta sang. Next question, next point. When second form is used, then we can use had plus third form, or when had plus third form is used, you can use second form. For example, before after sentences. Before after sentences में क्या होता है? After I had helped the old man, I went to the college. It means there are two actions. One action takes place after the another action. एक एक्शन पहले होगा, एक एक्शन बाद में होगा. Before I went to the college, I had helped the old man. Which action takes place first? He helped the old man, then he went to the college. So, which action takes place first? In that action, you will use had plus third form. And the action which happened after the first action, it means the second action takes place, we will use second form. If first form is used after before आया है, उसके बाद आपने फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ की है, सो यूज विल शेल हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म बिफोर द वर्ड बिफोर. बिफोर जब आया है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ट्रेन विल हैव लेफ्ट द स्टेशन, वी रीच देयर. बिफोर वी रीच देयर, हमारे पहुंचने से पहले ही ट्रेन जा चुकी होगी। हम वहाँ पहुँचते हैं उससे पहले ही ट्रेन जा चुकी होगी। सो this is all about simple past tense. So we will continue our tenses in the next topic, next video. Till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature. Thank you.